Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front mud flaps and brackets on a 2018 Ford F150. This video is for the updated bracket found exclusively in Ford accessory kits from your Ford dealerships as of April 2018. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. First, locate the inner tire restraint and loosen off the two bolts located on top. Using a hammer or mallet, knock the restraint back. Then retighten the bolts. Next, install the provided nylon nuts into the bracket as shown. With the supplied 5.5mm wrench, loosen the two bolts located at the bottom of the inner fender behind the factory flare as shown. Next, take the bracket and seat it in between the fender and inner liner and retighten the bolts. Then, take the provided brace and place it over the existing factory bolts located on the rearward side of the fender. Secure it with two serrated nuts. Now, install the brace to the bracket using the stainless cap screw and aluminum washer, and secure it with an aluminum washer, lock washer, and nut. Now you're ready to install the mud flap. Start with the innermost hole using a machine screw and stainless washer. Then proceed to loosely install the washer plate using 3 machine screws, 3 nylon washers, and 3 stainless washers. Take note to not over-tighten when installing into the nylon nuts. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Again, carefully tighten all screws and double check that the mud flap is still level. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.